What causes HVAC bearings to become noisy? HVAC bearings become noisy mainly because of poor lubrication, dirt or moisture, incorrect alignment, heavy loads, or normal wear. Bearings are the small parts that let a blower wheel, fan, or motor shaft spin smoothly. When grease dries out or the wrong lubricant is used, metal surfaces rub together and create a whining, squealing, or grinding sound. Dust, rust, and water can enter through damaged seals and scratch the bearing surfaces. A loose or overly tight belt can put extra sideways pressure on the shaft, causing the bearing to work harder than it should. Misalignment happens when the motor, shaft, and blower wheel are not sitting in the same straight line, and it often creates a repeating rumble or vibration. A bent shaft, an unbalanced fan wheel, or a blocked air filter can also increase the load. One lesser-known cause is electrical fluting, where stray electrical current damages tiny grooves in motor bearings, especially in systems controlled by variable speed drives. Listen for changes in the sound, turn off the system safely, check for unusual vibration, and have a qualified technician inspect the bearing, belt, shaft, and electrical controls before the damage spreads. A common mistake is adding grease to a sealed bearing, because many sealed bearings are not designed to be lubricated again. Check the manufacturer's instructions instead. Another mistake is replacing only the noisy bearing while ignoring a bent shaft, misaligned pulley, or loose mounting bolts, so inspect the whole rotating assembly. Do not assume every squeal means the bearing is failing, because a slipping belt or debris touching the fan can sound similar. Switch the system off and have the source confirmed before replacing parts. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.